Credit cards explained, the traps, rewards, and hidden truths. Credit cards have become a normal part of modern life. From online shopping to emergency expenses, they offer convenience and flexibility. But behind the shiny promises of rewards and cashback, credit cards also hide traps that many people fall into. Understanding how credit cards work, the good, the bad, and the hidden truths, can help you use them wisely instead of becoming controlled by them. What is a credit card? A credit card allows you to borrow money from a bank up to a fixed limit. You can use this money to make purchases and pay it back later. If you pay the full amount within the given time, you may avoid interest. If not, the bank charges interest on the remaining balance. The rewards, why credit cards feel attractive. Credit cards often come with tempting benefits, such as cashback offers on shopping, fuel, or bills. Reward points that can be redeemed for gifts or discounts. Travel perks like free flights, hotel discounts, or airport lounge access. Convenience and safety, especially for online payments. When used carefully, these rewards can be useful. For disciplined users, credit cards can even help build a strong credit history. The traps, where people go wrong. Despite the benefits, credit cards are designed in a way that encourages overspending. Some common traps include high interest rates. If you don't pay the full bill, interest can grow very fast. Minimum payment illusion. Paying only the minimum keeps you in debt for years. Late payment fees. Missing due dates adds extra charges and harms your credit score. Easy spending habit. Swiping a card feels easier than spending cash, leading to unnecessary purchases. Many people start using credit cards for convenience but slowly fall into debt without realizing it. Hidden truths. Banks don't advertise loudly. There are some facts about credit cards that are often overlooked. Free rewards are paid by interest and fees collected from users. Cash withdrawals using credit cards usually have instant interest and extra charges. Credit score damage can happen quickly if payments are late or limits are overused. Offers and discounts sometimes encourage spending more than needed. Credit cards are profitable for banks, and not all offers are truly in the customer's best interest. How to use credit cards wisely. To avoid problems. Always pay the full bill on time. Use credit cards for needs, not wants. Keep spending well below your credit limit. Read terms and conditions carefully. When treated as a payment tool, not extra income, credit cards can be helpful instead of harmful. Conclusion. Credit cards are neither completely good nor completely bad. They are powerful financial tools that offer rewards and convenience, but they also come with traps and hidden costs. The key lies in awareness and self-control. If you understand how credit cards really work, you can enjoy the rewards while staying safe from debt.